Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2011 on an 11 plate Peugeot Partner Tepee. This is the Horizon wheelchair access conversion, 1.6 turbo diesel with a 5-speed manual gearbox, finished in tempo grey metallic, and it's covered just 47,000 miles. So have a good walk around of this really smart looking wheelchair access 5-seater Peugeot Partner Tepee. Quite the rare thing this, to have the 5 seats and the wheelchair ramp at the back, so really useful vehicle. 2 former keepers, locally owned just round the corner actually, over the back of those trees for the last few years. Now in with us as the lady stopped driving. 47,000 miles, good service history throughout its life, 6 stamps, or 6 recorded. So really well maintained. Good tyres all round. Nice colour as well, the tempo grey. 50 plus miles to the gallon. It's a good strong 1.6 HDI Peugeot engine, been around for a long time. If you follow our page or our website, you know that we get through a lot of these wheelchair access vehicles. Really useful, people do like them around here. Decent level of spec as well, as we have a look inside. Conditions really good for what's a 12-year-old car now. Seats are in really good shape. You've got armrests on both the seats. They're not all hammered to pieces. Door cards are okay, the grab handle there's got a bit of wear to it, as they all do on these. The dash is all nice and tidy. Remote central locking, does come supplied with 2 remote keys, electronically adjustable door mirrors. You've got controls for the radio on the steering wheel there. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake. Does have carpet mats underneath our paper mats there. 5-speed manual gearbox. Electric windows. You've got your fan controls, radio CD up above, your information comes up there on the top of the dashboard. Big glove box, loads of storage down there, above as well. We've got this big load of storage up here. Sliding rear doors. So 3 proper seats in the back, with 3 seat belts and headrests, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Again, really nice and tidy. You got your storage units under the carpets. Very clean old thing. Round to the back, does have a couple of parking sensors to the rear. It's recently had a new exhaust, as you can see, that's pretty new. Into the ramp space. I won't put it down now for you, but it's just very easy. You just click the metal handle across there. It's got a parcel shelf as well. All your bits and bobs. If you have a look at the pictures on the website, you can see the ramp down as it should be, but it's just quite difficult with one hand when you're trying to film. So there we have it. Very clean old Peugeot Partner Tepee with the Horizon wheelchair conversion. 47,000 miles. Good service history. Finance is available from just £125 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied the fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance group, specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice price range Partner Tepee. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one.